Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. Also coming with running boards down below, so you can have an easier time getting in, and the Sport Appearance Package, providing you with some sport accents. So you have the rims there for the sport package and black accents. Let's take a look inside. Looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And in the middle you have 2 cup holders with a 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C, and 120-volt power outlet. And this vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your truck. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat and power adjustable pedals. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, truck info, towing information, navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Then moving on to the side, or to the left side, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost. Favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, with dynamic hitch view so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that you have your camera view again, your hazards, and your traction control shut off. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here with dual zone front climate and heated front seats so you can stay cozy. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, eco, sport, and then on the opposite end you have slippery, deep snow, sand, and mud ruts, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Moving on to the right, you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet, as well as having this compartment up here for more storage. Moving down, you have this cubby here with a USB and USB-C. And moving on to your shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears and can be collapsed out of the way for more open space here. Then you have 2 cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Ton of room inside, including another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there too. And then last but not least, you have a power sliding rear window, but that should cover our look at the interior.